So yesterday, okay, we completed, for loop, if elif else while loop, and break, continue, and I also told you few interview questions. Few interview questions also I told in front of you. Let's say like perfect number and factorial. Perfect number and factorial also we have discussed. So now what I will do is, see, there are two things I just want to tell you. The one is, there are a lot of interview questions. There's not just two I explain. Like I will be giving you as an assignment. Few things I will tell, few things I will give you an assignment. So first thing is, okay, sir, we completed for loop. My point is how we can write the for loop for list, string, set, tuple, and dictionary. How you will write? You if you direct whatever you learned till now, if you directly write them, it is impossible. It is not easy to do that. So what I will do is, two more things I will be telling you, two or three interview questions, so that it is very easy to understand in a clear way. It will be easy for you to understand these concepts in a very clear way. After that, I will be explaining you how to write the for loops for string, list, tuple, sets, and dictionary. Simple logic. Simple. Okay. First, sir, two I already told you, and two more I will be telling you. Remaining things you can find in the assignments, because I will start giving the assignments from tomorrow. So, what are the remaining? The most important one I told you. What is the important interview question yesterday I told you that I will be explaining today? Palindrome. Am I right? So, palindrome
Armstrong
logic.
number.
Yeah, I'm so okay. I will be explaining this one. You can do it with the remaining things. So, palindrome. Find C. Find the given number is a palindrome or not, using pure Python. Using pure Python. No need of like, you should not use any slicing or any different kind of things. Pure Python. No slicing, no skipping, nothing. No built-in function, no built-in functions, nothing. Just pure Python. So I already told you what is the meaning of palindrome. Am I recording this section? Yes. What is the meaning of Python? So today I am having my notepad, so I think I can even write in a better way. Yeah. So let me check first. Okay, cursor, endpoint, and endpoint. Yeah, fine. So what is the meaning of palindrome? What is the meaning of palindrome? So if I just took a number which is 124, for example, what is the reverse of this number? 4, 2, 1. So do both are same? Guys, do both are same? No. So 124 is not a palindrome number. 124 is not a palindrome number. Suppose let's take, if I took 121, what is the reverse of this number? What is the reverse of this number? 121. Both
21.
are same or no? It's a palindrome. It's a palindrome. So very simple logic. Palindrome means if you reverse the number should be equal to the given one. Then only we can say it's a palindrome. For example, see, without doing so many lines of code, a small example I can tell you. For example, see, you know, if I write A is equals to, in between the quotes, if I write 4, 3, 1, 4, in between the quotes 4, 3, 1. Now tell me, A is a string or A is an integer? A is a string. A is a
String.
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 A
String.
is a
String.
A is a string. Yes. A is a string. My question for you is, you know string is having index concept. Fine. Point number one. Point number two, if you have the index concept, obviously we can apply slicing. Yes or no? So if you tell me, if I write variable A from the starting till the end minus 1, what happens? Everything will be reversed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What is the A means? In the A we have 4 to 1. Oh, sorry, 4, 3, 1. But here what you are doing, you are reversing the A. In the variable A you have 4, 3, 1, but A is a string. So if you reverse the string, what happens? In the B, what is having? 1, 3, and 4. So I will write a condition. If A double equal to B, go inside print palindrome. Print palindrome. Or else print not a palindrome. Simple, no? Completed, no? Yes or no? You can ask me, sir, you are taking, see, you can ask me, sir, you are taking the string. No. See, A is equals to 4, 3, 1. Okay. So just see, print in the variable A from the starting till the end reverse. You will get 1, 3, 1. Oh, sorry, 1, 3, and 4. It's a string. It will reverse. So what I will do is I will keep it in a B. B is equals to A of from the starting till the end minus 1. A in the variable A. Okay, you know A means 431. B means, what is a B? B means 134. Now what I will do is, see, if the B, now you tell me guys, B is an integer or a string? B is a string. Yes or
String.
no?
Yes,
B
sir.
is a string. You are just reversing. B is a string. So I will compare like this. Int of B. Int means what happens? What int will do? What is B? B means 134. It's a string. We are having 134. So what int will do? Int will remove this code. Yes or no? So 134. If int of B, if it is double equals to int of A, it's a palindrome. Yes or no? The given number which you have given is a string. Anything? Anything to print? No. It sorry. It is a palindrome. Or else it is not a palindrome. See 431. You are giving 431. The reverse of it. See, the number which you have given is not reverse. If you reverse it, it won't be same. So it's not a palindrome. If I take 121, see, it is a palindrome. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood here this condition. You can ask me, sir, why you are writing the integer? See, what is B? B means 134 in between the quotes. So int will remove the quotes. It will convert into integer. A means it's a string 121. What it will do? It will remove the quotes. So it will compare the number with the number. If both are matching, it's a palindrome, or not, it's not a palindrome.
Sir,
My
excuse me. How the B value is assigned? I couldn't get it.
B value is assigned. I told you now in the strings concept, slide we are reversing from the starting till the end. We are reversing. Last one comes first, second last comes first, second.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So guys, my question for you is, it is easy like this. Now I will ask you one point. You need to write you need to write a logic, whether the number is a palindrome or not, without using slicing. You should not use the slicing operations. Then what you will do? Can you able to do it without slicing? Without slicing, it is impossible to reverse the number. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Without slicing, you can't reverse. Without this logic, it comes under slicing, so you can't reverse. So it is impossible. Without slicing, directly you can't do it. So if anybody asks you, do it without slicing. Do it without slicing. So do it without slicing means use pure Python. Pure Python. Pure Python logics. So now see how much information you will get now. So I request everyone, like I will be writing the complete logics here. I will take different C. Okay. So keep this in mind here. Whatever I write, keep this in. For example, I am going to take N. For example, I am going to take N. N is equals to I am taking 121. Guys, see, I am just going to take N is equals to 121. Okay. So here I will be taking some count equal to 0. For example, I will take something like count equal to 0. I want to put palindrome. I want to write a Python code for the palindrome without using slicing. Pure Python I need. So number I am taking 121, whether the 121 is a palindrome or not. Okay. And count I am taking 0. See guys, I will write a logic here. See, I will write a logic while while n, let's say n greater than 0, condition true or false? N is 121. 121 greater than 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
One, condition true. Going inside. Inside, what I am doing here is, inside I will do a logic. N is equals to res is equal. I am taking a variable res. N percentile by 10. Solve this one. I request you to solve this one. So right side operations will be given to left side. Right side operations will be given to left side. What is n? 121. 121 mod of 10. So 10, 121. 10 12s are 120. What is the remainder? 1. Mod operation will take remainder. Am I right?
Yes,
Am I
sir.
right? So tell me what is RES now?
121.
1. RES means 1.
Remainder.
After doing the operation, we are getting 1.
Yes,
So
sir.
in a simple way, if I want to say any number you take, you tell me one number. For example, 640. Any number I am taking, 640. 640 mod of 10. For example, 10, 640. 10 64s are 640. Remainder how much? 0.
Zero.
So mod function will take what? 0.
Remainder.
So whatever the remainder you are getting, that will be the last number. See, any number you divide with 10. Any number you divide with 10, the last number you can pull out. That is the logic behind this one. For example, sir, 144. 144 divided by 10. 10, 144. Okay. 10, 140, 10, 14, sir, 140. What is the remainder? 4.
4.
4 on the last value. See, last value you are pulling or not.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any number you divide with 10, you will get the last value. So here also, this last value I am pulling. What I am doing, the last value I am pulling and keeping in RES. See, RES is 1. Okay, now see what I will do is in the next line. In the next line, see the condition is true. The condition is true, that's why I'm going inside. The condition is true, that's why I'm going inside. That's why I'm going inside. So here I will write count equal to count into 100. So this is one operation. This is one operation. I mean, this is one mathematics plus RES. So why sir, why you are keeping parentheses? See, one operation, another operation. Two things I am adding. Okay. So if you don't use the this parenthesis, it will treat everything like same. So what is a count here? Guys, what is count? Check here in the box. What I have written on the screen. 0. 0 into 0, I think not 100. 0 into 10. You need to write 10 here. What is 0 into 10? Nothing but 0.
0.
0 into 10 is 0. 0 plus, what is RES? RES is 1. 0 plus 1 is how much?
1.
1.
1. So count updated to
1.
1. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, count updated to 1. Okay, fine. This part completed. Next line. In the next line, I will be writing n is equals to n floor division of 10. Okay, right side operation. Focus on the right side. What is n? Check in the box 121. 121 floor division of 10. 10, 121. So what floor division will do? 10 12s are 120.
Quotient.
Remainder 1. Floor division will take the coefficient. Coefficient. So floor division, if there is a dots, it won't consider the floating values. Only
Integers.
integer it will take. Perfect value it will take 12. See, if you see the logic here, so what n? You are updating in the same variable n, yes or no? Then n converted to
12.
12. Am I right? N
Yes, sir.
converted to 12. If you see the logic, this one is pulling the last number, the one it is pulling. This line is focusing on the remaining two values. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, done. So 3 lines completed. So all the 3 lines in the loop completed. Again, iteration starts or not? It will repeat or not? 3 lines execution completed. Again, the loop repeats. Now tell me n greater than 0. N greater than 0. What is n? 12.
12.
12 greater than 0. Condition true or false? Condition true. Going inside. Okay, going inside. So now next, again loop is repeating. Again focus on this line. N percent. What is n now? Tell me. N is 12.
12.
12 percentile by 10. 10 12. 10 ones are 10, remainder 2. So this one will take 2. Last value is pulling or not?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what is RES?
2.
RES becomes 2. Okay. RES becomes 2. Next line. Next line. Focus on right side operation. So what is count? Count is already 1. 1 into 10. How much?
10.
1 into 10
10.
is nothing but 10. 10 plus what is RES?
2. 12.
RES is 2. 10 plus 2 is how much?
12.
12. 10 plus 2 is nothing but 12. Count becomes 12. Count becomes 12. Okay. Next line. Next line. Focus here. N. What is N? 12. 12 floor division of 10. 12 floor division of 10. 10, 12. 10 ones are 10. Remainder 2. Floor division will take this one.
1.
What you are getting? Okay, you will be having the dot decimals, but floor division will take only coefficient definite value 1. Now tell me what is N? N
1.
becomes 1. 3 lines completed. Again the loop repeats or not?
Yes.
Again the loop is repeating. So now tell me what is N? N is 1. 1 greater than 0. Condition true. Going inside. Going inside. Again 3 lines. Again 3 lines. Now see again this line. What is N now? N is 1.
1.
1 percentile by 10. 10, 1. 10 zeros are 0. What is the remainder?
1.
1. So N is, now RES becomes
1.
1. Completed. Next line. Next line.
Count.
Next line. This one. Count into 10. What is count?
12.
What is count? 12. 12 into 10 how much? 120.
120.
120 plus RES is how much? 1. 120 plus 1 is how much?
121.
Count is equals to 121. Okay. Second line completed in the loop. Third line.
N.
N mod of 10. What is N? N is 1. 1 floor division of 10. 10, 1. 10 zeros are 0. Remainder 1. What you got? 0. So what is N now? N
1.
becomes N
G.
becomes 0. N becomes 0. Now, okay, 3 lines completed, loop repeats. Now, what is N? 0. 0 greater than 0. Condition true or false? False.
False.
See, 0 greater than 0. Condition true or false?
False.
It is false. Completely false. So, false means, now my question for you is, false means this loop breaks. Am I right? Yes or no? This condition false. So, it will come out of the loop. Loop work is completed. Loop work is completed. So, this loop completed. After completing the loop, what is the n value? 0. What is the count value after completing the loop? See, before it is n is 121, count is 0. After completing the loop, what is n value?
0.
N value is 0. What is the count value? 121. What is RES? 1. So we can check in the box here. So if I write like this, lot of people will write if they will write if the given if whatever the number that I am taking, if it equals to the count, it is equals to the count, print the number which I took is a palindrome number, or else print is not a palindrome number. Guys, now tell me what will be my output after completing the loop. N double equal to count. Count is what? Count is 121. N is 0. You are thinking like, sir, N is 120. After completing the loop, N is updated. What is N? N is 0. If you compare like this, you know that the number which you took 121, the count value you are getting in the mathematics is 121. But you will not get a proper answer because you are depending on N which you took. N is updating inside the loop. Here what I will do is, I will keep that value into one variable, some other variable. I am giving the n value into variable. Now generally, if you see, there is another variable temp. What is temp? Temp is 121. Am I right? Temp. There is a variable temp which I am giving 121 for it. So there is a variable of 121. Now see, okay, after completing this loop, my n value is 0, count is 121, RS is 1. I will write the if condition like this. If temp, the number which I am taking, because the number which I am taking, I am saving in temp, no. The number which I am taking, if it is equals to the count, then it's a palindrome, or else not a palindrome. See, you can ask me why, sir, here you need write temp 0. Guys, understood? Guys, understood everyone? How to write the logic perfectly?
Somewhat we need to practice it.
Sorry.
Somewhat, sir, we need to practice it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. So I think, what I'm asking is like this logic you understood now inside the loop, how they are updating.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So see, my question is before you are using the slicing, some index slicing kind of formulas you are using. My question is, are you using anything here except pure Python you are using? Just operators, while loops, if conditions you are using. Are you using any index or any slicing kind of thing?
No.
No, you are not at all using them. You are not using them. This is one of the most interview point question. Most interview point question. Okay. Clear now everyone? Can I go to the another question?
Yes, sir.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, why there is need to take a temp variable?
Don't take temp. Pass here and what happens? What is n? N is updating or not inside?
Yes, yes.
Inside. So inside the loop, n is updating. Then how can you, if you're giving here n means, if you're giving here n means, in your point of view, sir, I am taking 121. Then why you are updating the 121 inside the loop? It's not correct, no? So that's why the number which I am taking 121, the number which I am taking is 121.
Okay.
Okay. I am taking the value 121 only. This 121, I am doing the operation. Here it is updating. But what I'm doing is I'm taking a copy and saving in temp. Now tell me temp is nothing but the number which you took only, yes or no? The number which I am taking, after doing them, after reversing them, if both are same means, then it's a palindrome. Here you need to understand temp is the number which you taken. Count means after reversing the number. If both are same means palindrome or else not a palindrome.
Okay, okay.
Any number you take. For example, see 140, 141, 141, 141. It's a palindrome. 144, it's not a palindrome. I'm telling you, one logic you need to write. Any input I change, it should work. Okay. Guys, I think you can, you are noting down in the notebooks in my point. I don't know if you are not following the notebooks, I can't do anything. Okay, let me close it. Cool. So this is a palindrome. So there is one more, most you can expect directly. Interview question. That is Fibonacci series. See, Fibonacci series. So, if anybody asks you, mostly I think a scientist will use this word, Fibonacci series. Suppose if anybody asks you, tell me the first 5 Fibonacci series. First 5 Fibonacci series. If anybody asks you, first 5 Fibonacci series means starts from 0 and 1. So you need 5 values, right? How many values we need? 5 Fibonacci series values we need. You need to start from 0 and 1 only. How many values completed out of 5? How many values completed? 2 values completed. So 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Top 5, first 5 Fibonacci series. So if anybody asks you, show me first 8 Fibonacci series. 0 and 1 you should take. These are the first 2. 2 completed. 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. Total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 5, 13. See, first 8 Fibonacci series. You should take 0 and 1 and you need to add like this. Most challenging interview question. But I just want to know whether you understood the logic or not.
Yes, sir.
Understood the logic, no?
Yes, sir.
So how do we implement? Anyone tell me how can we implement this one? So let's take total how many we need. Total 8 I need. Okay. Total 8 I need. I told you first two are 0 and 1. Am I right? A is equals to 0. B is equals to 1. Total 8 I need. A 0 and B 1. Okay. I'm writing here. Total 8 I need. 8 I need. Okay. So 0, first two I am taking. This is A. This is B. Okay. B. Guys, you tell me, what is the logic here? Generally, total 8 values I need. First two I am taking. Remaining how many I need? Tell me remaining how many I need?
5.
8 means 2 values means total 6 we need now. 6 plus 2, 8. We need 6. Remaining 6 values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Total remaining 6 we need. So 6 times I need to use the loop. So for I in range of, I will just write n minus 1 directly. You will immediately will ask me, sir, what is n minus 1? See, what is n? What is n?
8.
8. 8 minus 1 is how much? 7.
7.
So here directly what number you are giving? Here you are giving 7. So this is a starting point or ending point?
Ending point.
Ending point is 7. Starting point will be 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many iterations? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 iterations. But I need how many iterations now? Only 6 iterations. SNO2 I am already taking. So I will pass 1 comma. So from the first 2, 3, 4, 5. N is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 to 6. Guys, total 6 iterations. Understood? The range understood, no?
No, sir.
You didn't understood?
No.
Okay.
No, sir. Please wait.
See, first of all, I am telling Fibonacci series. First 8 Fibonacci series. So 0 and 1, you should take. Total how many Fibonacci series you need? 8. Total 8 you need. First two you need to take 0 and 1. No options for us. 0 and 1. 0 plus 1 is how much?
1.
1. 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. Count it. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values you are getting or not? Fibonacci series values.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I need to write this logic. That is what Python logic we need to write to generate those values. So I need 8. I need 8 values. 8 Fibonacci series I need. So 0 and 1 are first two. So I'm taking 0 to the variable A, 1 to the variable B. Okay. Out of 8, see, total 8 values I need to generate. 2 values are already there. Remaining how many we need?
6.
The remaining 6.
6.
Remaining 6 values we need to generate. 6 values we need to generate. So 6 times if I iterate, that is fine, no?
Yes.
So to iterate 6 times, I am writing 1 comma n minus 1. Focus on this. What is n minus 1?
8 minus
What
1.
is 8 minus 1? So 1 comma 8 minus 1 is nothing but 7. 1 to 7 means nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
Total 6 iterations only, no?
Yes.
Okay, yes or no? Total 6 iterations. I hope you got it now.
Yes, sir.
So inside what I will do is, inside what I will be doing here is, I will print A, I will print B. Okay, but because you are taking A and you are taking B, 0 and 1 will print. 0 and A we will print. Now my question is, guys, what I have to do is, I will take a variable C and I will add A plus B. See, the logic, first two values you are taking, you need to print. No, without printing it won't show. So I am printing 0 and 1. So what I am doing here is, I am taking a new variable C. I will add A plus B. What is A plus B? 1.
0 plus.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. C is equals to A plus B. C is equals to A plus B. Okay. C is equals to A plus B. Fine. C is equals to A plus B. Done. Now, next point is, you are not printing the, here the question is, you are taking C is equals to A plus B. So what is C? C is 1. C is 1. Keep it aside. Here what I will do is, here what I will do is, if you want in a better way, so C we can update and we can only focus on the C. For example, in a better way, keep to these two things instead of printing. In every iterations they will print, no? If you keep them in the loop, in every iterations they will print. First you are taking 8, A0, B1. So print A, print B. So 0 and 1 will print. 0 and 1 is printed. Now inside the loop what I am doing, C is equals to A plus B. What is A? A is 0, B is 1. A plus B is how much? A plus B is how much? 1. So in the C we have 1. In the C we have 1. So print that C. Print that C. Third value you are getting. Now what I will do here is, guys, my question is 3 completed. Next what? 1, this 1 plus this 1 is nothing but we need to know. My question is, what you are doing? You are adding B and C. So what I will do is, I will give B to A and C to B. Okay, I will give B to A, C. For example, till now what we have A0, B1. So you are printing A and B, 0 and 1, and C, A plus B you are doing. C you are getting 1. Fine. 3 points completed. 3 points completed. Now what I am doing here is, I am giving B to A. Okay, B to A. So, and C to B. C to B. So you can ask me, what is the use, sir? What is the use? See here, give B to A. So, sorry, B give to A, and next point is give B to A, and the next point is give C to B. Give C to B. So if you give C to B, again B updates here. So point here is, what I will do is, B is equals to first point C. C I am giving to B, and that B I am giving to A, and that B I am giving to A. So okay, now let's understand. Let's me explain here. Meanwhile, first I will remove this one to better explanation. Better explanation. See, what I am doing here is, C I am giving to B. This C I am giving to B, which means what I am doing? Which means what I am doing? This C I am making into B. Yes or no? See,
Yes.
C I am giving to B. So which means C I am making into B. Next one, what I am doing? B I am giving to A. So this B I am giving to A. So this one becomes A. This one becomes A. Okay. So remove this one. Don't consider this one. Now don't consider this one because A is updated internally. You can ask me, sir, why? You repeat this one. Now all the lines completed, repeat again. The loop repeats. The loop repeats. In the first iteration completed. In the next iteration, A plus B. What is A? 1. What is B? 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. So you are giving the C to, you are taking C, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Printing C. Okay, 2 is printed. Now see again now see, now with this, what happens? C to B, which means this C you are treating like B, and this you are taking like A. Remove, don't consider this one. Now again a plus b is how much? 1 plus 2 is how much? C. Then you are converting this to b, this to a plus b is nothing but 5, you are making to c. Guys, understood how I am doing the changes in the loop at every iteration? For example, let me print it. Let me print and let me see. So, oh, sorry, one logic I think I missed. Let me give b to a. So there is a small interchange, I think. Small logics will change. No worries. See, guys, first 8 Fibonacci, am I getting? First 0, 1 I am taking. 0, 1. 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. 1 plus 2 is how much? 2. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. 5 plus 6 is how much? 13. First 8 Fibonacci series, am I getting or not?
Yes, sir.
If you need one more time, I will.
Yeah, please
One
repeat
more
the logic.
time.
Please repeat the logic, sir. Yeah, sir, for the 5 only.
Okay. So total 8 Fibonacci series I need. Simple logic. Total 8 I need. Okay. See, I am taking A0, B1. I am taking first one is 0, which is I am considering as A. Second one I am considering as B, 0 and 1. Remaining how many I need? I need 6. I need 6. So total 6 iterations I am taking if you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the first iteration, I will be picking 1. I will be picking 1 going inside. Okay, I will be picking 1 going inside. Inside C, A plus B. What is A? What is A? A means 0, B means 1. 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. You are giving into the variable C. So C is nothing but 1. So C 0 plus 1 is nothing but 1. Okay. Print C means this C will print. This value will print. Okay. Next, the value which is in the B, I am giving to A. I am giving to A. So which means B I am giving to A means this B I am converting into A. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
Guys, next line what I am doing, the value which is in the C I am giving to B, which means the value which is in the C I am giving to B. Understood? Understood? First iteration completed. In the next iteration, it is in the second iteration. I mean, first iteration completed. In the second iteration, A plus B. What is A? 1. What is B1? 1 plus 1 is how much? 2. 2. Okay. 2. Saving in the C. We got 2.
It will
Okay. Print C. Next, B. The which is in the B you are giving to A. So which is in the B you are giving to A. So this one will update. And which is in the C you are giving to
be.
again iteration repeats. Now third iteration. A plus B. 1 plus 2 is how much? 3. C. You are updating AB. So next one A plus B is how much? 5 becomes C. So next iterations
3 will
what
be
becomes?
5
A and B. 5 plus B is how much? 8. 8. 8 plus I mean what happens? This will update. It becomes A and it becomes B. A plus B is how much? 13. C will be 13. Understood how it goes? Logic?
Yes, sir.
That is the Fibonacci series. Most valid interview question. Definitely the freshers won't be able to write. So please keep this in brain or note down in the notebook. They will ask you to explain. Shravani, can we take a new variable D is equals to C plus B? Anything you take, any variables you take and anything you can add according to the logic. Guys, clear now? Fibonacci series and palindrome. Perfect number, few things like I think you got now how the loops works. Am I clear? I think you can do the assignments now. Yeah. Now, how can we write? So all the things I can't tell because you need to do the assignments now. How we can pass the for loop for the string? I mean, how it will work? for the string, for the list, for the tuple, for the set, and for the dictionary. For the dictionary. So how can you pass the for easy logics? See, with the string, I will tell you. Suppose if I am taking A is equals to universe, A is equals to universe. So my point is, what is the meaning of for loop, guys? What is the general meaning of for loop? For loop means starting point and ending point. Yes or no? So what you will do is for I in a range of 11 to 16 means this is the starting point, this is the ending point. Okay, ending point -1. It's fine. Okay, I accept it. My point here is, if you are passing a for loop for the string list sector tuple, already the starting point and already ending point is there or not? Already starting point and already ending point is there or not?
Yes.
Then what is the purpose of range here? See, you are using the range just to decide the starting point and ending point. Am I right or wrong? What is the purpose of range? Like range of 1 to 10 means from the first iteration to 10th iteration. I mean n-1. Range is to starting point and ending point, to decide the starting point and ending point. Already starting point and ending point is there. Then what is the use? Then what is the use? So if you run this line, obviously you know very well in the memory it will save. Same story. So UNIVERSE. Okay, it will save in the memory. Okay, index will be there. You know that. See, my point is starting point and ending points is already there. So do we use the range now? Should we use the range? No. No. Because like if you want to iterate, sir, I want to iterate 5 times. I want to write a for loop, and the for loop should iterate 5 times means I will tell like for I in range of please pass 11 to 16. So total 5 iterations, yes or no? Starting till then, total 5. Because if you need 5, depends upon the range, we can write. But starting and ending is already there in the strings. So there is no need of range now. There is no need of range. Directly you can pass for I in A. Simple. What is the purpose of range? For I in A, what is A? A is a variable which is holding string. So then how it, same logic is same for I in A. First I value will be, I will be picking up U. First I will be picking U. First it will pick the first one. Going inside. Print that. Print that. Okay. In the first iteration it is picking U, going inside. In the next iteration, it will be picking N, going inside. In the next iteration, it will be picking I. Concept is same. There will be no need of range because starting point and ending point is already there. See, if I run it, one by one will come. See, first iteration U, second iteration N, third iteration I, fourth iteration V, E, R, S, E. Okay. This is how we will write the for loops for the string. We will write the for loop for string. Simple. Another example I will give. A is equals to data. For example, A is equals to data. So you know A equals to data. So my point here is data. So how you will write the for loop? Just write directly to the variable because A is a string. Starting point and ending point is there. For J in A. So what J will do? J will pick up first iteration. It will pick D. Go inside. Print ORD of J. What ORD will do? Guys, what ORD will do?
Order.
It will find the ASCII value. Yes or no? ORD will find the ASCII value of the character. So first J is picking up D, going inside. ORD of D, its ASCII value will come, which is 97, 98, 99, 100. Next iteration, J value will be picking up A, going inside. Order of A, which is ASCII value of A is 97. Next iteration, J value will be picking up T, going inside. Its ASCII value will come. Next iteration again A, again 97. Simple logic. See, every iteration one character will be picked up. One character will be picked up. Guys, understood how you are writing? How can we write for loop for the string? So now you can ask me, sir, can't we use the range for the string? Can't we use the range for the string? You can use, but see how, for example, A is equals to data. A is equals to data. Guys, what is the meaning of length of A? Tell me. What is the meaning of length of A? Length of A? 4. Total how many characters are there? Those many it will show. Length will show you total how many are there. So keeping this in mind, see, I will write, you can write the range, but it's little bit different. For I in range of length of A, I will write like inside the range, I will write length of A. See, focus inside the range. Inside the range, what I have written? Length of A. Length of A means what? Length of A means what? 4. Yes or no? Length of A means 4. So you are having only single value, which is 4. So this is the ending value or this is the starting value? This is the ending value. Then what will be the starting value? 0. So if I write like this, length of A means 4. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. For n minus 1, 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. Now in the first iteration, I value will be picking up 0. Going inside. Inside, can I do like this? Print in the variable A of I. In the variable A, what is I? 0. In the variable A, 0th index position is D only, no? In the next iteration. Next, I will be picking up 1. Going inside. Inside A of 1. In the variable A, first index position is A only, no?
Yes,
In the
sir.
next iteration. I value will be picking up 2. Going inside. A of 2. In the variable A, second index position is T only, no? In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 3. Going inside. A of 3. In the third index position is nothing but A. This is also possible. This is also possible. See? D8A. You can write directly like this. Or if you want to use the range, you need to use total how many are there, and every time you need to use it index and you need to call. Guys, I hope you got it. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can work with the strings, with the for loop, how to write the for loop. Let's say same concept for the list also. Same for the list. A is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. Guys, we have the starting point and ending point or not? Do we have the starting point and ending point or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We have the starting point, which is 10. Ending points 20. So for I in A, so print I plus 100. So see, I value will be picking up 10. Going inside. 10 plus 100 is nothing but 110. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 20. Going inside. 20 plus 10 is nothing but 20 plus 100 is nothing but 120. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 30. 30 plus 100 is nothing but 130. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 40. Going inside. 40 plus 100 is nothing but 140. Simple. Simple, see. Every time one value it will pick up. See. Then how to use the range, guys? How we will use the range? Same logic can I apply now? Yes or no? Can I, wait, what is the sound, guys? Mute your mics without the reason. For I in a range of
Length of A.
length of A. Length of A.
Length of A.
Yeah, length of A. What is, just understand what is length of A? What is length of A? Length of A is 4. So you have 4 means it's an ending point. Starting point is 0. Ending point is 4. Ending point means ending point minus 1, which means 3 till 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so print in the variable a of I. So in the first iteration, I will be picking up 0 going inside. A of 0 means 10. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 1 going inside. A of 1 is nothing but 20. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 2 going inside. A of 2 is nothing but 30. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up 3 going inside. A of 3 is nothing but 40. Okay, simple. Is I also variable? Yes, it's a variable. It's a variable. So this is for the list. Then how for the tuple? Same story. Same story for the tuple also. 10, 20, 30, 40. For I in A. Print I plus 100. Simple. Every iteration one value it will pick up. First 10 goes inside. Next iteration 20 goes inside. Next iteration 30 goes inside. Next iteration 40 goes inside. 40 goes inside. Simple. Even for the set also. Sets also. A is equals to, let's say 10, 20, 30, 50, 100. So for I in A, you don't know how it saves in the memory. You don't know how I saves in the memory. So how it saves, those things it will collect. Those things it will collect. See, this is how it saves in the memory. So one by one value it will pick up. It will pick each and you can ask me, sir, why 10 is not taking? I told you in the memory we don't know how it saves. So it takes from the memory. But see, string is easy, list is easy, tuple is easy, set is easy for when we writing the for loop. When we write the for loop. Here the overall question is the most tough different way needing of implement is dictionary. Okay. So dictionary is very important. So now let me tell you how to write for the dictionary. Very complicated, but if you understand it will easy. A is equals to apple 100, banana 200, carrot 500, carrot 500. Okay, guys, this is the dictionary. My question is, if you pass the for loop, do the for example, see, for I in A, normally how we are writing for the string, how we are writing for the list, how we are writing for the tuple, how we are writing for the set, in the same way I'm writing. Now my question is, do I will take key value, or do it takes key, or do it takes value? What it takes? If I directly write like this with the dictionary,
Key value.
it takes
Key only.
key. If you see, if A is having a dictionary, if you write the for loop like this for I in A, I value will be pick up only keys. I'm telling you,
Yes.
it will pick up only keys. It doesn't care about the values. So in the first iteration, I value will pick up apple. I value will pick up apple. Going inside. Going inside. Print I means apple will print. Apple will print. In the next iteration, I value won't pick up its value. It only pick up keys. Next iteration, it will pick up banana. Going inside, printing banana, apple, banana. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up carrot. Going inside, print I means carrot. Only keys it will print. Only keys it will print. See, apple, banana, and carrot. You can ask me, sir, how can we print the values? How can I print the values, sir? See, small logic I will tell you. See here, I want to print only values. See, for I in A, guys, in the first iteration, I is picking what? Apple. Yes or no? I is picking apple. So print A of I. Now tell me what happens. A of I. So just understand what is I. Yes. What is I? I is apple. So I is apple means you are writing A of I. A of I means A of apple. So A of apple means what will be the output? 100 only, no? If you call the key, it value will respond or not? 100 will come. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up banana, going inside. A of banana is 200. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up carrot. I value will be picking up carrot, going inside. A of carrot is how much? 500. Sorry, A of carrot is nothing but 500. If you want to access the value, you need to use it keys. I'm using the key inside. I'm using the key inside and calling the values. Guys, following me?
Yes, sir.
Now, if anybody asks you, print both the keys and values. Simple logic. Simple logic. I will do only one thing.
Okay.
I comma. Simple. I comma. See, in the first iteration, I will be picking apple. Going inside, print apple space, comma will give one tab space. A of I. A of apple means how much? 100. Completed. In the next iteration, I value will be picking banana. Going inside. I means banana. And A of I. A of banana means how much? 200. Next iteration. I value will be picking up carrot. Going inside. I means carrot. Comma. A of carrot means how much? 500. Simple. See? Guys, following me now? How to write that? If you understand the logic, the for loop writing for the dictionary is very, very easy. Lot of people, they will forget, like, if you write the for loop, it will pick only keys. You can use the key and you can call the values. There are few more things that I want to tell you. For example, if I write the dictionary like this, guys, if I write print a dot keys, a dot items, what will be the output?
Apple, banana,
Yes,
apple 100.
items means like key value, and key value. Yes or no? Now see, same thing I will take. See, a dot items means key value, key value, key value. So see, for I comma j in, a dot items. Sir, why you are writing a dot? See, just understand. If I am writing a dot items means what is the output that I am getting? I am getting this output. Am I right? I am getting this output. Basically, for a dot items, I am getting this output. So in the first piece, we are having apple, banana. So what I will do? I will be picking up apple. J will be picking up 100. I will be picking up apple. J will be picking up 100. Going inside first iteration. Print I comma j. Print I comma j plus 100, for example, for better understanding purpose, or let's say j plus 500. J plus 500. Apple and j means how much? 100. 100 plus 500 is how much? 600. 600. Okay, completed. So next iteration. In the next iteration, I value will be picking up banana. J value will be picking up 200. You can ask me, sir, why you are writing two? Items give two outputs. So two variables I am writing. Going inside, banana J, I means banana. J plus J means 200. 200 plus 500 is nothing but 700. Again, next iteration, I value will be carrot. J value will be 500. Carrot and 500 plus 200 is nothing but 700. 500 plus 500 is nothing but 1000. See, you can write like this also. You can write like this also. So basically, this is how you will write the for loop. Basically, this is how you will write the for loops for the dictionary, string, list, tuples, everything. There is one more point that I just want to tell you. Mainly in the list, we will use them. List or string or anything, enumerate function. Built-in function which is enumerate. Enumerate. A lot of people till only the real-time people knows this one. See, if I write A is equals to 100, 200, 300 and 400. And I just want to tell you one thing. Enumerate function won't work for the range. I'm telling you. Enumerate won't work for range concept. If you use the range, it won't work. So for the only for the string, only for the list, only for the tuple, okay, only for the dictionary also it won't work mainly. Which is having the index, the concepts which are having the index, for them it will work properly. So list is having the index. What is the enumerate mean? See, enumerate function, enumerate function will collect two things. Will collect two things. One, it collects index. It collects. It collects two things. It collects two things. One is one is one is index. Second one is index. One is index, and the second one is value. Second one is value. One is index and second one is value. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? See, for I comma j in enumerate, enumerate, enumerate of a, enumerate of a. What is the meaning of this, sir? See, for I comma j in enumerator means enumerate function will give the permission for these two variables where I and j. J will be collecting the value, I will be collecting its index. Okay, so in the first iteration, I comma j in enumerate of a. So in the a, for loop will go to the a, where a is having 100, 200, 300 and 400. So I value will be picking up its index, j will pick the value. Okay, now see if I go inside. Now see if I go inside print I comma j. What is I? I means 0th index, j means 100. Next iteration, in the next iteration, I value will be 2, second index, j value will be 200. Simple, every iteration, it index will be collected by the I and j will collect the value. See, j will collect the value. So, I is used for index and j will pick the value. J will pick the value. Guys, understood? Enumerate function, anything you take the string also, for example, data. For example, data. Same thing you take and same thing you copy here and run. Same thing you copy. See, I value will picking index, j will be picking the character. Going inside print I comma 0th index d, first index a, second index t, third index a. Most real-time usage one. Outside the people who are training now, freshers, they won't understand. They won't use, but it use a
Excuse me,
lot in
sir.
the real time. Yes.
Sir, in the above you have written that it would not work for the list
Oh,
string.
sorry.
That was it will work. Yes.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. It won't. It 1 minute. It won't work for range concepts. Only, I mean, index concepts. It will work. Okay. Okay. Now, clear, guys. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Complete for loops with some interview questions and all the things. With some interview questions and all the things. There is one more, just a small point. I just want to tell you. Which is very, very important. See, if I take a is equals to data. Guys, a is a variable which is holding strings, yes or no? Which is holding string. How can I see the built-in functions which comes under string?
A dot.
How can a dot? And you know, in the strings concept, we have discussed capital, title, lower, upper, is upper, replace, ends with, starts with, alpha, is alpha, is numerical, what is alpha numerical, length, membership functions, ASCII values, all the things we discussed. My question is, I already told you, if you remember, Split and join concept. Do you remember? I told you after completing the list, I will tell you. I mentioned there are two built-in functions in the string concept, which is split and another one is join. Another one is join. Join is not see join, which is split and join. What is the meaning of them? Very, very, very important. Split and join. Split and join in strings. In strings. In strings. There I didn't discuss because there we need to understand about the, I mean, when we are discussing the string, we don't know about list. That's why I kept a hold. Now I will tell you. Guys, see, if you write the data, fine. My question is, see, I am from America. I am from America. A is a variable holding string. Holding string. See, split means what it will do is, see, split means it will divide, guys. Wherever there is a space, it will divide. For example, 1 is one piece, am is one piece, from is one piece, America is one piece. Total how many pieces, guys? Total how many pieces? One. Total 4 pieces. And it will come under list. The output will be, it will split and convert them into list. See, for example, a dot. In the a is a string where it is having a built-in function which is known as a split. Which is known as a split. For example, split. 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 See what split is doing? Split function will divide this input into pieces. One piece, second piece, third piece, and fourth piece. See 4 pieces, and it will, the output comes under in the form of list. Output comes under in the form of list. Simple. Split is nothing but dividing. You can ask me, sir. You can ask me. So if there is a space, it is dividing in the space. If I keep the dot, what happens? If I keep the dot, what happens? See, first piece, wherever there is a space, first space, second space. Is there any other any space? I mean, empty space. See,
No, sir.
what happens here? See, this will be treated like one word because no space is there. Okay, defaultly space will be selected. Defaultly space will be selected. You can ask me, sir, I want to split wherever there is a dot. See, here I want to split the A wherever there is a dot. See, wherever there is a dot. Then how? Then how? Dot means this is one piece and this is one piece. Yes or no? In a list, comma. This is first piece, this is second piece. So dividing them into pieces wherever you need. See, I am from, this is one piece, this is dot, and this is another piece. Guys, understood what is the meaning of split? Understood what split will do?
Yes, sir.
So here the point is, then sir, what is the meaning of join? See, split means splitting, join means adding again. Simple. See, B is equals to, you know, A. Normally, I will print A. Print A. Normally, I'm printing A. Then I'm splitting the A and I'm saving the result in the B. Print B. See, print B. This is normally A. After splitting, it is converted like this. Then what is the meaning of join, sir? See, join means again adding. C is equals to join. Join that B, which means C. Join that B. I want to join. I want to join. What do you want to join? I want to join B. What is B? This is B, no? B, I am having different words. First word, second word, third word, and fourth word. So first I will select first word. Okay. Guys, to add the second word, do I need to mention or not whether I need the space or whether I need the dot? I need to mention or not? See, I am trying to join B. So in the B, I am having 4 words. First word I am picking up. Okay. Second word I am trying to join with the first word. But if you want to add, you need to mention whether you need the dot between them or whether you need to have the space between them. You need to mention or not?
No.
No? Without
It's
mentioning how
mentioned.
they will add? Without mentioning how they will know? Like they come to side by side or with one tab space they need, with the dot they need, how they will know?
Yes, will be
We have
needed.
not mentioned, that is what I am saying.
Sorry.
In which you are not mentioned, na, that is what I am saying.
Okay. So see, first join of B. Join, what it does is, so B means I am from America, 4 pieces. So what join will do? Join will pick up first one. First word it will pick. So you need to mention explicitly. So explicitly what I need? Dot. So first one, please take the first one. So from the B, please join will take first one. After taking the first one, see here. See, this is an empty string. Empty string you are giving. Empty string means there is no space. Next, another word will take, it will come here, am will come. Because from the first word to second word, in between the quotes, you are not giving anything. You need to mention in between the quotes what you need. Okay, if I run it, see, if I run it, all the words will add. Sorry, I will print the C. All the words I will add. Print C. All the words I will add. See, I am from America. Sir, why it is coming something like that? I told you, join is taking first word, I am. From the B, it is taking first word. So to add the first word and second word, in between the quotes, what you are mentioning? Are you mentioning the space? No.
No.
Are you mentioning the dot? No, nothing you are mentioning.
No.
So second word it will take, it will add side by side. Third word it will take, it will add from. Fourth word it will take, it will add America. So imagine if I give space here. Join B. So first join will take first word. Okay. Second word, am is there. To add the second word, what condition you mentioned here? One tab space. One tab space, yeah. To add the third word, one tab space, from. To add the fourth word, one tab space, America. America. See? Coming back or not? Why column taken, sir? Where
So, sir,
column? This is
so,
this to mention whether to use the space or not use the space. See, if you keep the dot.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, with this, the output, if we give the space, then first letter will also come with the space, like this. First letter,
Oh,
I.
just now I told you, first it will pick the first word, then it checks here. So join of B, see this is B guys, this is B. Join B, first join will take the first word. First it takes the first word. Next it checks what you have written in between the quotes. In between the quotes I have written the dot. Dot will come. What is the next word? Am. Then again it will check in between the quotes, dot. Then another word it will take, from. Okay. Then dot, adding. Then last word, America. America will add. Guys understood? What split will do, what join will do? Join will first take the first value. To add the next values, it will, for every word, it will check the condition what you have written in between the quotes. See? Guys understood? Split and join?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, one of the interview question I will tell you with these two logics, which I faced, long back, 3 to 4 years back. So I have got a question in the interview saying that they have given me like this. I love programming language. So this is the input they have given me, and they told me to print the output. They told me to print the output like this. This is the input. Okay, they need the output, this one. So immediately, lot of people what they do is, in the variable A, from the starting till the end, they will reverse. Yes or no? Immediately by looking at this, you will reverse. But if you reverse means the last word comes first. E comes here. A comes here. U, G. You are reversing the characters. Am I right? See? You are reversing the characters. Yes or no? But we need this one. How to do, sir? Very simple logic, I will tell you. See, guys, wherever there is a dot, I will split there. Okay. First print A. I will print the A. Wherever there is a dot, I will split there. What happens if I split there? This is the input. I am splitting. But where you are splitting, you need to split wherever there is a dot. Then the words will be divided. Am I right? First word, second word, third word, fourth word. Guys, words are divided or not?
Yes, sir.
Words are divided or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Words are divided.
Divided.
So words are divided. For example, in the list 200. For example, in the list, if you use this option reverse, last one comes first. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
In the list. Okay. Last one comes first. Last one comes first. So you know B is a list. B is a list. If I reverse it, what happens? B of from the starting till the end -1. From the starting till then -1. Last one comes first. Programming language comes here. Programming comes here. Love comes here. I comes here. Okay. That is how you need to maintain the concepts. See, print C. First, this is the A. I am splitting wherever there is a dot, it is dividing into words. It's a list now. So if I reverse it, last word comes first. Say language, programming, love I. Now can I join these words one by one? Yes or no? D is equals to
Oh,
I
Dot,
dot I
join.
want to join. I want to join C. So first it takes the language, and it again if you want to add another word, you need the space here or you need the dot. You need the dot. So can I keep the dot here? First language will be taken. To add the next value, dot will come. To add the love, dot will come. To add the I, love, dot will come. So print D. See, I love programming language. I splitted, I reversed, and again I added. Guys, understood? Perfectly. Join is very simple. You can compare here. Join C. What is C? This is C. Join is taking language first.
Sir,
Okay, after language.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
In the 10th line, if you don't not give the dot, only give the one to the space.
Space will come. See?
Okay. Sir, first it
That's
will took the last character language, then it will check the condition.
That's what I'm saying. The first join C. Join this is C.
Okay.
This is C, where we are having 4 words in a list. First join in the C. First it takes language. First it takes the word. It takes the language. After taking the first word, it checks here what is there. One space is there. Okay. Next it takes another word, programming. Again it checks here. Space is there. Love, space is there. I. If you keep the dot, first take the word, check the condition, dot is there, so dot. Next it take the programming, check the dot, put the dot. Okay. So this is one of the interview question. Simple. So completely about completely about the condition, control statements, interview questions, all the concepts. I hope you are clear, right? Guys, clear, no? Tomorrow I will share the assignment also. Tomorrow I will be sharing you the assignment. I will explain the assignment questions, 10 questions, and meanwhile, because I'm giving the time to practice today, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow night I will be. Tomorrow, what is the concept? Tomorrow, what we are going to learn? The most important concepts we are going to learn tomorrow: functions. Don't miss the section tomorrow. Most important functions: user dependent functions, built-in functions, like parameter functions, non-parameter functions. Okay, functions we are going to discuss tomorrow. Guys, clear now? Any doubts? Any doubts still here? Okay. Okay, guys. I mean, these files are updated. In the next, in the remaining folder also, I will update the file. Okay. Catch you tomorrow, guys. All the 4 drive is up to date. You can please check it. Just this file, I will update this file. That's it. Thank you, guys.